Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn off Active Now on Instagram. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your Instagram. Now go to your profile. Here you can see 3 lines. Press on this. Now scroll down. Now you can see here messages and store replies. Click on it. Now you can see here show activity status. Go for it. If you want to turn off your Active Now on Instagram, you just have to disable this button. That's it. So this is how to turn off Active Now on Instagram. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.